it, guys. We're back at it again. So today I'm letting my husband do my makeup. I got a bunch of makeup. Well, I wear makeup a lot, but
yeah, we have all this stuff, you know.
And I'm not telling him what any of it's for. So we're gonna see how he does, because he's always bragging about, well, I know how to do makeup. I know how to do hair.
Makeup in here? But I know for doing none of that.
You always say you know. Yeah, he always says he knows how to do things.
I can draw, you know. I'm an artist.
Yeah, right. So we'll see how much of an artist he really is.
Let's go.
And guys, let me know in the comments how you like it and what you think about my makeup.
Oh, God. All right. Let's get to it. Yo. I think I just go on first, you know.
Just stop talking and start implementing, Mr. Artist.
Yo, stop it and come. Come.
Don't mess up my eyelashes.
Fix it here, look a bit. Alright, guys. So I think concealer first. I'm gonna put on some concealer first, guys. I'm gonna put on concealer. Actually, no, foundation. I'm gonna put on foundation first. Yo, alright, ready? Mm-hmm. Alright. I don't know which one to put on first. If you tell me that, I'm good.
No.
Which one you put on first?
I'm not telling.
I have a feeling. Wait, man.
You're struggling too much.
No, I'm just have to do it the right way. Instead of
there's no right way.
Alright, give me this. You have two? Alright.
Use one.
What?
You don't need to use two.
Don't tell me nothing. I'm going to use the black one. No, black look. I'm going to use this. Come in. Turn now. I have to see your face. The artist have to see your face. Then we reveal to the camera. Alright? Come. Hold on your head. Yeah. Just like that.
Why are you pressing so hard?
Easy now. Easy now, man.
Make me feel like you're painting like native pictures.
Shh. On your ear. Your ear will get messed up here. I'm not even using foundation. That may tell you. Don't play with me. You're a killer. Makeup. Alright, I'm gonna put a little bit more. Alright, that's it.
Make sure you get my eyes, because you know I don't like my eyes.
You don't tell me how to do my makeup. Relax. I'm doing my makeup.
It looks like you're getting my eyes, huh?
Nope. You can't go and laugh here. Laugh off of me. Come on.
This is a Swag on the Beat exclusive.
Girl, we getting faded over here. We made it over here. We keep designer on our body. Girl, we major over here. Just tell your friends to put their purses on this table over here. And I bet your pain will disappear when I put those ankles to your ears. We amazing over here. Stay blazing over here. And I bet your man gon' throw a fit if he catch you hanging over here. Cause you see, start gang is over here. We spacing over here. We don't worry about no earthlings, cause we aliens over here. Got me like, I ain't never met a woman do me like that now. So we get on face with a moving star swag. Long blonde hair and a booty quite fast. Shawty all about $1 when she moving that stack. Station celebrating all them savings over here. Can't explain, exaggerating all the ways you make me feel. Your gravitation over here. Wall gang, they hating over here. here. Won't play no favorites over here. Put both your legs behind your ass. Sexy ladies over here. Need my favorite over here. Bring some Asians over here. Might make some babies over here. Fancy cars, pretty girls. Travel all around the world. Burning gauze, rolling pearls. Sipping, drinking till they twirl. Girl, it's crazy over here. The Matrix over here. Can't save her over here. We might just change a girl on here. We getting faded over here. We made it over here. We keep designer on our body, girl. We made you over here. Just tell your friends to put their purses on this table over here. And I bet your pain gon' disappear when I put those ankles to your ears. Call me, girl, and I'll make it right whenever you like, baby. I know that we all sound the same, but I changed the game for you. Call me when you want, girl, I'll be on the side. You know what it is, girl, I'll be down the ride. Anytime, I don't mind, any day and night. I told you, girl, like this, like that, like this, like that. Let me start with this shit, cause you already know that I'm on that drain, girl. So call me when you want to. Call me, I'm gon' come through. When you already know I'm gon' run through you like never before. I'm gon' be nasty to you, girl. Mean girl, I said it's mean girl.
Yo, look at that beauty right there so far, guys. You don't look like a ghost. You look cute. And you can't look at me, so no matter what you can do. You have to look at me when you're done. Guys, look at that beauty so far.
Like this. Say fuck a boom, baby. Or Mr. Phenomenal. Finally sitting by the fire. This moment feels so right. I don't ever wanna leave from my friends and family. Love is blowing through the breeze. Feels so good, I can't believe. I'm just trying to be present in the moment. I can feel your presence here, I know it. Presence cool, but you're the main component. Right here by my side. Stay here for a lifetime. Blessings from my God. I know you're right here by my side. Stay here for a lifetime. Blessings from my God. I know. Blessings from my God. I know.
If you could only see my heart and how it's shining all the time. Oh, I get my peace from knowing that you love me, and I will never leave.
No, that will have you do my makeup. You know how long I've had this? It has lasted. And now it's probably all empty.
Stay here for a lifetime. Blessings from my God. I know you're right here by my side. Stay here for a lifetime. Blessings from my God. I know. Blessings from my God. I know.
When I finally found you.
Stop playing with. Guys, look at that.
Love we never thought about where we were going. Could we take a moment and relive the days when we were back in California? California. For just one night, let's go back in time. Had your hand in mine, the tide washed out names from the shore, losing track of time. Oh, I stopped. Tie-dye shirts on the floor.
Guys, great. This is my first
Alright,
time ever.
so
Out
right
of
now, I'm going to do I don't even know what it looks like. So right now I'm going to do a critique.
10.
Yeah.
You're gonna tell me I should have put
So,
this on.
he put concealer all over my face. This is probably 3 shades lighter than my face. This does not go on my face.
No, you look beautiful.
This was supposed to be on my face.
I don't listen.
Listen,
I don't wanna use
Linda.
I don't want to use it. No, I don't want to use foundation, guys.
This was not supposed to go at the bottom of my eye.
Where?
Right here at the top.
Okay, at the top. You have to
This-
put it, but you messed me up.
Goes at the bottom of my eye, not on my eyebrows. And this is black. You don't put black on your eyebrows. So I probably look like somebody crazy. Give me that.
I did really well. Come on now. Come on now. Guys, look at her. I'm just making her. Guys, but seriously. Look at that. First time, guys. First time.
5,
Give me 2
4,
more tries and
3,
perfect.
2, 1. Reveal.
I can't do it.
Perfect review, guys. Reveal. Look at that. Yo, don't even. I need to take a picture.
I look like something from American Horror Stories.
I've been waiting
you
to say
lied.
this the entire time.
Guys,
You know how
Turn around.
that scene
turn
was-
around. Turn around. Turn around.
What is this?
Smile.
No.
Come on. Don't get up in my face.
You know
Come
that
on.
What are you doing?
Guys, they're laughing at me, but yo, fix good. Just come on, like you do a nice person, man. Stop.
I look
Come
like
on.
an old granny that
Smile.
couldn't do their makeup.
Smile.
No.
Oh my god. You know that scene in Mulan where they're doing her makeup and she's paler than a ghost?
And then he's like slapping my eye with the thing. That shit hurt.
Guys,
Happening. Knocking my eyelashes
Guys,
out there. Expensive
guys.
eyelashes.
she look cute.
Stop the
Bro.
cap.
I say
Okay.
fire. Leave a comment down below. Would you hire or fire? I say
Guys,
fire.
you would hire me. Come on. Don't be like that.
Team Mimi, fire.
Team Tete, guys. Team Tete.
Fire.
Yo, that look beautiful. Look at your lips. I got that perfect. Look at all that stuff. Sometimes you don't need no foundation. I don't know. You putting too much on you.
I should have worn this
You
to our
want to make
wedding. I should have worn this to our wedding.
thick lump of
Yep, I should have
whatever
worn
on
this to our
your face,
wedding.
man.
No, how you like it? Would you hire or fire? Leave it in the
Would
comments.
you hire or fire, guys?
All right,
I know you'd hire me. It's okay.
no. Leave
It's
a comment and
okay.
say would you hire or fire.
It's okay.
Make sure you like,
Like, share,
share,
and
and
subscribe,
subscribe.
We're out.